A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their mathematics class. Today, the topic of our class is more division, and the related questions we are going to learn today you can find on page number 93 to 108. So today we are going to learn the questions from skill section and subtopic is mental maths. First question, division by 10. Study the sums to find the trick. 48 divided by 10 equals 4. Remainder is 8. 236 divided by 10 equals 23. Remainder is 6. 389 divided by 10 is equal to 38. Remainder is 9. Now apply the trick to work out these mentally. Without using pen and paper, you have to work out these mentally. You have to do these sums mentally. So when we will focus on this thing, 48 divided by 10 is equal to 4. Two-digit number, the quotient is first digit when we divide it by 10 and 8 is the remainder. First digit is a quotient, second digit, that is ones digit, is the remainder. Now get it here. When you have three-digit number, ones, tens and 100-digit number, in that way quotient is 110 digit and 6, that is ones digit, that is the remainder. Similarly, with this three-digit number, 38 is the quotient and remainder is 9, the ones digit. Now A part is 87 divided by 10. So in this way we have remembered the trick. These are two-digit numbers, ones and tens digit there. So first digit is the quotient and 7 is the second digit, that is the ones digit, that is the remainder. Okay. Now B part, 92 divided by 10. 9 is the tens digit number. The first digit we will take it as quotient and 2 will be our remainder. Now 55 divided by 10 equals what? What is the quotient that we are going to write here? Is 5. Tens digit number. Then remainder will be this 5, ones digit number. Okay. So dear students, 101 divided by 10. 10 will be the quotient, first two numbers, then the last number, that is 1, is remainder. Now E part is 543 divided by 10 equals 54. That is the first two digit, tens digit and hundreds digit. Ones digit, that is 3, is the remainder. Now second one, divide tens and hundreds without remainder. Study the sums to find the trick. If 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, question is making you understand the trick. Okay. Then 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. If 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, when you multiply your dividend with 10, okay, that means you have to multiply your quotient also with 10. If here it is 80, then your quotient will turn into 40. Okay. Similarly, 32 divided by 4 equals 8. This is one division fact. Second division fact is what is done there. 32 has been multiplied to 10 divided by 4 as such. What will happen to this 8? We have to multiply it also with 10. Multiplication is done with 10, both sides of is equal to. So 320 divided by 4 will equal to 80. Okay. Now we have to apply this trick here. 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5. If 5 divided by 5 is 1, then 50 divided by 5 is 10. We know what is 50 divided by 5? 5. 10 na 50. Now applying the trick on this part, 90 divided by 3. Here we are given with 90, that is 10's digit number, we can change it into 1's digit number. Okay, divided by 3. 3 are 9. Here the quotient will be 30. Okay, you have to multiply 10 to 3, then it will be 30. C part is 60 divided by 6. 6 in the table of 6. See where 60 is. 6 10 are 60. Now 80 divided by 4. 4 in the table of 4, where 8 is, 4 2 are 8, and where 0 is, 4 0 are 0, that is 20. How you can do by this trick that is given from the question? You can do it like 80 divided by 4 is equal to, we don't know this, okay, so we will first write only 8. Here we will neglect into 10, okay, then we will divide it by 4. Here we know 4 2 are 8. We neglected into multiplied by 10 here, so when we will multiply 2 by 10, we will get 20, that is 4 20 are 80. 80 divided by 8, that is, we know very clearly 8 10 are 80. So this we can do in just 1 second. Now dear students, you are instructed to do the remaining parts of mental maths of skill section. Page number is 102 to 103 in your maths textbook very neatly, and practice a lot for the same. This was all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz to you.